It's the best way. It's not inferior. Why I paint with the doors on. It's as if someone's holding it for you. Here, let me hold it for you and let you paint the whole, pretty much the whole thing. It's just so much easier because you can get this underside and this side and the top. It's like a hands-free, you don't have to lay it flat. Turn it over. I'll tell you what the colors are here in 1 second too. I'm gonna add a little prairie gray and it's giving me this perfect sort of, not taupey, it's a warm gray, which is exactly what I'm after. And yes, it's a chalk type paint. Now, people like Rust-Oleum, Valspar are making a chalk type paint. No sanding, no priming. You don't have to use primer or sand because it's a natural bonding agent. Oh, it's like silk. That's why I like to leave the doors on after professionally painting kitchen cabinets, because the time you save leaving them hung is huge, because you don't have to have it laying down on one side or the other. You can get all three edges. Here's the edge. The fire. I started cooking some oil to fry little pork chop things I was going to try. And I turned on the oil on high. Stepped right into the next room where my studio is. I was like, let me just add a little bit of white wax to this dresser. That's the last thought I had about the cooking for about 5 minutes, and then I heard, I thought it was boiling. I was like, oh, my water's boiling. I don't have water boiling. What's popping? And it was fire. Fire in the skillet, this big fire. So, I threw it in the sink underwater, which an oil fire, you're not supposed to do that, but the IP brushed the 6-inch one, and there were little fires all over the counter because I'd slung it, smacked it down on the counter, and it just put the fires out. The cabinets were then black. They had soot on them. Soot. I was like, good thing I paint cabinets! I don't paint over the hinges. I leave the hardware on there because it gives me a handle, so I don't have to touch the surface. And then I've hit this one. I will paint the hardware with a metallic paint and then kind of sand it back a little bit. So it's going to get painted anyway, but you can certainly take them off. Let it completely dry overnight, and then you can use any water-based liquid top coat. You're going to put whatever sealer you would use anyway. You can use a polyacrylic, water-based. I like to use wax.